Hi all, this progression is from the song called Behind Blue Eyes. To play this progression we need a few chords. The first chord is E minor. So holding E minor we got to strum 6th to 3rd string. We don't want to ring the second and first string. So then we got to go 5, 4, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's the first chord. Then we have a G6. So we hold G major. Now we got to play without the little finger, that is first string open there. So we got to pluck 6, 5, 4, 3, then 1, 2, 3, 4, so 6. Then we have a D sus2, so you know D major chord. We have a D sus2, we just lift the second finger from the chord. So we have 4, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, and we got to play this chord twice here now. We have a C added 9, so we go 5, 4, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 2. So first 4 chords. Then C add 9. So D sus2 and C add 9 we got to play twice. Then we have A sus2, so we just play 5, 4, 1, 5, 4, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 2. It's same like a C added 9. This is also played twice, but I just hold without that second finger because we are not playing the 3rd string in this progression, so we just play that. So in that sense, like going from C add 9 to A sus2, you just lift those fingers and you can easily go back to that A sus2. So whole progression once now.